All right, for our ongoing class, we are having so much fun with You Are the Sunshine of My Life. We have worked on the whole tone scale, ascending and descending. We're also working on that lick at the end of each bridge. Whoa, 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 whoa. Using hammer-ons and pull-offs if we can, and if we can hum along, it takes time to get from point one to point two, point A to point B, and the journey is a whole lot of fun. So we're going to do the whole song. We're going 100 beats per minute. I'm doing a little mambo beat. A one, two, a three, a four. Doing the island strum. Here comes the whole tone. Again. You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. Here we go. You are the apple of my forever you'll stay in my heart. Let's try this again. Whole tone. I feel like this is the beginning. Though I've loved you for a million years, and if I thought I'd find myself drowning in my own tears. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. Whole tone. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you'll stay in my heart. Whole tone. You must have known that I was lonely. That's why you came to my rescue. Oh, and now I know this must be heaven. How could so much love be inside of you? Whoa, 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 whoa. You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eye. Forever you'll stay in my heart. Forever you'll stay in my heart. Get ready for the whole tone. There's that pentatonic.